Hi, I'm Jack Fine, one of the partners at the law firm of Fine, Farkash, and Parlapiano in Gainesville. A question is often asked, what is the difference between stacking and non-stacking types of insurance coverage? Well, let me approach it this way. There's many types of insurance coverage. There's property damage, there's bodily injury liability, there's personal injury protection, and there's uninsured and underinsured coverage, which is commonly known as Stacking doesn't apply to property damage, doesn't apply to BI, doesn't apply to PIP. It only applies to the coverage. Once again, what is coverage? It's when a driver hits you who is underinsured. You can then go to your own company and say, I want to use my coverage because the driver who hit me doesn't have coverage or doesn't have enough coverage. So now let's turn to the stacking, which is a subset of coverage. What stacking means is there's a multiplication effect. If you have two cars on your policy and you choose stacking coverage, if your coverage is $10,000, you can multiply it by 2 and you have $20,000 worth of coverage for your benefit if another driver causes injury to you due to his negligence. If you have 4 cars and stacking coverage and $50,000, well then you have $200,000 worth of coverage. So you see, there is a really good benefit to the stacking coverage. It's a multiplication effect and gives you more protection. So I would always recommend that you include stacking coverage if you have more than one car. If you only have one car, the stacking becomes less important. But if you have 2 or 3 or 4 cars and could afford a little extra insurance coverage, buy the stacking coverage because it protects you against an underinsured or uninsured driver. We hope that you found this information to be helpful, and we would ask, if so, that you follow us on social media or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a good day.